So today we'll see what is package.json, package-lock.json, angular.json. So firstly, package.json contains metadata for our application and dependencies that is required by our application. So it has name, version, scripts, and dependencies, dev dependencies section. The dependencies section are nothing but the production based dependencies. When you say npm install, the dependencies are downloaded under this section. And dev dependency section are development mode dependencies. These dependencies are required only during development time, so we add it under dev dependencies. Let me show you that. So package.json has scripts, and then it has dependencies and dev dependencies, and name of the app, version of the app. So yeah, and next we'll see what is package-lock.json. This is optional, but it is highly recommended to keep it. It also contains information about dependencies and dev dependencies, and has entire structure of dependencies and sub-dependencies which are under node modules. So we have something called as node module, right? Yeah, so it has the entire structure of this sub dependencies as well as sub dependencies. So when it stores the information of that. When we do npm install, it might download the dependencies. Npm will check this package-lock.json and download the exact dependency version, even if there is a new release. Means every time when you say npm install, usually by default it installs the latest package version. But when you have this package-lock.json, it will go find the version number and then download the exact dependency version, even if there is a new release. If we don't have package-lock.json, npm will refer the package.json file and download some other version of the dependency. So it is better to have package-lock.json. This file should also be pushed to git to be on the safer side. It locks the version of dependency, sub-dependency, and its dependencies as well. So this is about package-lock.json. Angular.json file. It has all the information related to src folder, output directory, main file to be executed, index file, style section, script section, etc., and configuration for the test as well. So let me show you. The package-lock.json has the name as well, and also the dependencies and the dev dependencies, and it locks the versions used for by all the packages, so that when this file is pushed to git, when you do npm install for the next time, it particularly fetches that particular package version instead of pulling the latest version. And then the angular.json has all the information about the app, like source folder, output, what is the source folder, output directories, main file, and then styles and everything. So that is it. To give a summary, package.json contains metadata of our application and dependencies that is required by our application. Basically, these are the main two sections, dependencies and dev dependencies. And package-lock.json, actually, the main thing is it locks the version of the dependency, sub-dependency, and sub-dependencies. And whenever you say npm install, it will go find the version in the package-lock.json and fetches the exact, downloads the exact package for you in the application. And angular.json has all the information related to your application, like source folder, output directory, main file, index file, styles, and etc. So that is all about the JSON files which we discussed today. Thank you.